Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you all are doing absolutely great and I wish this new year become a successful year for you and may all your dreams come true. So we all know the benefits of rosemary hair oil as I mentioned it on the title. And here I come up with another DIY video where you can reduce the itchiness, dandruff and hair fall issues. And if you want to make your hair dense and grow healthy hair, then this video is for you. If you know about me and if you have watched any of the videos from my YouTube channel or my Instagram page, you must have known by now that I had immense hair fall issues 4 years back. So I posted the pictures of my hair before in my previous YouTube video and also on my Instagram page. I will post it again here in case you are new to my channel. And one question was being asked that did I use any supplements? So the answer is like yes and also like no. I will tell you how. So one day what happened was I was just doing like this and I got literally, you won't believe, 20 to 25 strands were there on my head. I was so shocked and I was so scared that I am so grateful that I took the video of my hair getting off of my head like that. I was so scared and I took the video and sent it right away to the doctor. So he told me and suggested me a tablet called tricotin. So this is a supplement. I took it and it is damn expensive, literally very expensive. Like small red color tablet costs you around ₹12. According to me it is very expensive. So I thought of going for it and thought of trying for this tablet and I used it for 1 month hoping that this tablet will definitely work on my hair. So what happened after 1 month? Nothing changed. So I was so disappointed and I told my doctor that this is not working for me. He told me that maybe the deficiency in your body is way more. That's why this tablet is not working on your body. So that's the reason I stopped it gradually and stopped buying the tablet. And I decided to completely depend on DIY hair oils that my mother used to make. So I would say that my hair has not become so thick by using only DIY hair oils. I won't say that. It actually main thing depends on your lifestyle and diet. So you have to concentrate more on your lifestyle and diet. So when you start changing that, you will gradually see the difference in your hair, your skin, your whole health. Everything will be changed. So that is the reason you have to concentrate first on your diet, lifestyle, and then you can use hair oils. That is an additional part. That is totally an additional part to nourish your hair, grow your hair faster. So that is the reason why I created this channel to show you all the DIY hair oils that I make and my mother makes. So before I start the video, I will tell you about myself. My name is Harika Bala and I create content related to hairstyles, hair care, skincare, fashion related content, product reviews on my channel. So if you're the one who watches this kind of content, kindly take a moment to subscribe to this channel. So without any further ado, let's make this wonderful hair oil. I will be telling you 2 methods. You can use any one of those.
So the first method is double boiling method, where you'll be taking a steel container, put it on the stove and then add 2 glasses of water. Then take a container, add 1 cup of coconut oil. In case you are not comfortable, you can use olive oil. It has the benefits of fatty acids and antioxidants which will nourish your hair. The reason I'm using coconut oil because it will stimulate the hair growth and prevents breakage. So that's why I mostly prefer using this oil. And also I have been using this for years and it has given me a very good results. And then I'll be adding half cup of rosemary dried leaves. I bought this from Amazon. I'll mention the link in my description box below. So what you're gonna do is, on the whole, you need to add 1 cup of coconut oil, then add half cup of rosemary dried leaves. If you have the plant, feel free to use that instead. No problem at all. Then you will put that ball in the steel container and sim it. Let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Since my coconut oil was frozen one, I kept it for about 40 minutes. So ideally, 30 minutes are enough. After you are done, transfer it in an airtight glass container. I already told you why glass containers are the best for storing oils. It is because if you use plastic, the chemicals in it might get dissolved in the oil. So better to use glass containers if you are thinking to store it for 2 months. So here's the second method. This method I usually follow when my previous oil gets completed. So what I do is, I take the same amount of measurements, like for 1 cup of coconut oil, half cup of dried leaves. I will microwave it for 30 seconds. Just to make everything even. I stir the oil and then again microwave it for 2.5 minutes or sometimes 3 minutes. It is enough compared to 30 minutes of double boiling method. Since the heat from the microwave is strong, 3 minutes are more than enough. Otherwise, you might burn the whole oil. So I'm gonna take it out and transfer the same in the same glass container. So now the whole process is done. Now we are going to add carrier oils. The reason we need to add this because when we use carrier oils, it will neutralize the composition. For some people, if rosemary is applied directly, they observed hair fall. But for some people, they had immense hair growth. Since I have been in a position of severe hair fall, I did not want to take risk. So always, without any doubt, I add carrier oils. So to this, I am going to pour 2 tablespoons of castor oil. If you want to make your hair dense and have hard water issues, frizziness problems, dryness issues, then definitely add this oil. Next, we are going to be using 1 tablespoon of almond oil. And that's it. Powerful hair oil at home is done. Now for the application, you need to retangle the hair from bottom to top. This will make us easier to apply the oil. Then we are going to massage our scalp with the scalp massager. This will help in stimulating the scalp for faster hair growth. You can even comb with it. So I'm using a dropper to apply this directly on my scalp. If you want to use your fingers, you can use. So I'm gonna apply this all over my scalp. So guys, I want to tell you that it has been already 3 months of using this oil. At first I was confused whether this rosemary oil will suit me or not, but I thought positively about it, did some research and made it at home, and the results were quite good. So whenever I upload any video on my channel, I make sure that I'm confident enough to share with you people. I test the oils I make at home before uploading it on my channel. So I can say that you can happily prepare homemade hair oils and use it for better results. And if you see videos on YouTube, maximum creators and even certified doctors have talked about this. So after you have applied, cover it with a satin cover, keep it for 30 minutes and then wash. So this is how my hair has turned, shiny and frizz free. This is from the natural light. If you use this twice a week for 3 months, you'll see a great difference, or sometimes in 1 month only. I hope you like this video, and if you find it useful, take a moment to subscribe to this channel, share with your friends and family. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care and have peace.